This conference will now be recorded.
Yes. So all of you, we are going to work with which one? The transform module, guys. What is module? What is the property? That is the transform, right? Transform property, guys. Transform property. Transform, right? Or you can say that CSS, CSS transform. CSS transform, guys. Okay. So in this one, there are some functions, right? There are some functions, guys, like scale function, rotate function, skew function, right? Like that. There are some functions. We'll see all the functions one by one, guys. Okay, we'll see all. So now by using this transform, we'll do one example, guys. We will do a simple project by using this one, right? So we have taken right one empty HTML file, empty body is there, right? All of observe empty body is there. Now what do I do? What do I do? I'll take one tag called section, guys. I'll take now one section, section, section element, section element. The section element we take in the section element we take a set of paragraphs or set of items, guys. Set of items. Actually, now my requirement is now all of observe what I'm planning now. What I'm planning here. See, I am taking one section like this. I'm taking one section like this. In this section, I'm planning to take the paragraphs, guys. Right? I'm planning to take the okay set of paragraphs. Set of paragraphs. So like one paragraph like this. Okay, another paragraph like this, and another paragraph, guys, and another paragraph like this. I'm planning. All of clear, right? Okay. So I am taking here set of paragraphs, set of paragraphs. That's why. So the parent tag I have taken as which one? Section tag is okay. I have taken a section tag. Section this one. In the section, I am taking the set of paragraphs. Now all of clear. Where do I am going for section tag here? All of you clear, right? Why I am going to take the section tag? All of clear. Why, right? Section means to take the set of we can say set of articles, set of paragraphs like this, guys. Set of articles, set of paragraphs. Okay. Now what do I do? What do I do? What do I do here? Now all of observe. I take one more called article, guys. Article, article. Okay. In the sections, I am taking the different articles, guys. All of observe. This is section. This section. In this section, I am taking the set of articles. Set of articles. In each article, I'll take the some paragraph, guys. I'll take the some paragraph. I'll take the paragraph, guys. We'll take the paragraph. All of what I'm doing now, right? So, so what I'm doing here, I'm taking the main first section, one section. In that section, I'm taking the set of articles. Set of articles. In each article, I'll take the paragraphs, guys. I'll take the right paragraphs. I'll take the paragraphs. Okay, right. Now I'm taking an article. This article name I'll take suppose, guys. Okay, transform one, guys. Transform one. Transform one. In this one, I take the one paragraph. One paragraph, guys. One paragraph. In the paragraph, I'll take the some dummy text, guys. I'm going for some dummy text here. Okay. Now all of you observe. Let's take now. Okay, dummy text. Dummy text. Just guys, I'm copying this text. Okay, this is all text I'm going to copy from here. That's all, guys, right? I copied from here. Just I'm going to just paste here. That's all, guys. Okay, now that's fine. So what happened, guys? Here we have taken the section. In the section now, how many articles are there currently? Only one article is there. Right? Only one article is there. In that article, I have taken the some paragraph, right? Paragraph, guys. Now I want to take set of articles, right? I'll take one more article, guys. I'll take one more, right? One more article. I'll take the name. Suppose, guys, transform. I'll take the same class name because this all belongs to same section, right? Observe now. So this article and the second article, these all articles belong to same section. So I'm taking the same class name, guys. Same class name. And this paragraph, I want same as it is. Just I'm going to paste that one, guys. Enough. Now in the same section, I am going to take one more article, one more article. I'll take the same class name, transform one. Then I take the same paragraph, guys, same paragraph. Now, all of you observe. Now, what I have done here, I have taken the one main parent. What is that one, guys? Section. This is section. In the section, currently I have taken the three, right? I have taken three articles, okay? This is the one article. In the article, what is taken? Some paragraph is taken, right? Paragraph is taken. Again, I have taken, right, one more article, one more article. Now, what is taken there? Some paragraph is taken. And one more article, what is taken there? Paragraph is taken. And one more article, what is taken there? Paragraph is taken. Paragraph is taken, guys. Okay, I think I taken three only. Let me take the one more, guys. I'll take here article, okay, article. Then I take now uh, transform, right? Transform to. Then I save this one, guys, right? I save this one. All of you first listen what I am saying. At the end, you can ask me any questions are there. First listen what I am saying here. First concentration on the listening. Okay, I told you in the beginning only. If any queries are there, ask me at the end. If you ask me in the middle, then what should I do? I should stop this example explanation and we should discuss only the questions only. Okay, please guys, remember the point. At the end of the class, ask me all. I'll explain very clearly. Okay, right. Now, all of you observe, all of you observe. So what I have done here, I've taken the one section. I've taken the one section here. The section contains a set of articles, guys. Set of articles. Set of articles. In the articles, what do you take? You can take the images. All of you observe. You can take the images here. You can take the images, or else you can take the. See, I taken the image here. I can take the image. You can take the one form. You can take the some paragraph. Some paragraph. You can take the table. It's our choice, guys. It's our choice. You can take anything in the articles. In the articles, guys. All of right. So one section contains multiple articles. You can take the multiple articles. In each article, you can take the paragraphs, images, or any titles, or any tables, forms. It's our choice, guys. It's our choice. Okay, right. Now that's fine. Now I hope guys you got the clarity. What is the use of article tag? The article is part of the section. In this article, you can take anything. You can take the paragraphs, or images, or tables, or forms. You can take anything, guys. Okay, right. Now, so I have taken the only one section, right? Till now, I have taken the only one section, guys. I have taken the only one section. So on the section of articles, on these articles, I'm going to perform one transform property, guys. I'm going to perform one transform. I'm going to perform here. Okay. So for this one, now all of you observe, guys. All of you observe. All of you observe. So we have the body tag is there first. The body section is there. In the section article is there. Inside the article, what is there? Paragraph is there. What is main one? Main one body. In the body, one section is taken. In one section, we have taken the four articles. In each article, we have the some paragraph, guys. We have some paragraph, right? Some paragraph is there. Now I'll go to the styles. I'll apply styles, guys. I'll apply styles. Now let's take the here styles, right? Styles. Okay, first of all, I take the body level. The body level, guys. The body level for all font family. I'm taking now for all font family. Okay, font family. Yes, guys. I'll take different names now. Right. I'll take first. Suppose, guys, Arial. Something, right? Arial. Okay, Arial. We can take the cursive, see, guys. Okay, a lot of names are there. I'm taking the Arial. See, this is all again part of the Arial, guys. This is all about which one? Part of the Arial, right? Arial. Then I can take here sans serif, guys. Okay, sans serif. So now you have a doubt, sir. Why two are taken, sir? Why two fonts taken now? Why two fonts taken here? See, guys, right? Some browsers will not support all types of fonts, guys. Some browsers will not support all. At that time, I am giving the priority. First one should work when if it supports. If it's not supporting in my current browser, then I want to work with this one. I want to apply this one. It's also not supporting or in the browser this font is not there. I take the one more name like that, guys. We can specify n number of, guys, n number of this values for font family property. Okay, so it gives priority for first one only. The priority for which one? The priority for the first one only, Arial. If the Arial not available for the current browser, then it go for second one. It gives priority for second one. If second one is available, then it supports it applies, guys. If it's also not there, then you can take one more also. For example, I take the cursive like this. You can take all like this, guys. You can take all like this, okay? But these two enough now. These two enough. And I'm going to take one more. Like I take the margin, guys. Margin bottom. I'll take 100 pixels, right? 100 pixels. Till now, run this program, guys. I'll run this one. Where is this one? Yes, transforms, right? Okay. Now, all of you, just we have the, okay, which one? Four articles are there, right? Four articles are there, but we did not get like this, guys. Why? Because we did not apply any styles. So I want get like this. I want get like this. These four articles. Then what we do? We have to apply the some styles, guys. Some styles. Okay. First of all, I go with the section, guys. Okay. I will go with section. I will go with the section tag. What is section, guys? Here, what is section? Section means this right, the parent, guys. This parent is the section. This is section. For that one, I'm applying the styles, guys. Applying the styles for that one, right? So for that one, I'll take the background color, guys. Background color. Let's take the light blue. HT blue, guys. Okay, light blue. Light blue. Let me refresh once. Yes, okay. For all light blue came. That's fine. Next one. Let's take the padding, guys. I want to take the space between all. I'll take padding 15 pixels, for example. Padding. I also take the margin also, guys. I'll take the margin also, some 15 pixels, right? I'm taking the padding and margin, right? Margin, guys. I have taken both. Okay, the margin came, right? Next one. Let us see now border radius, guys, right? We know the border radius. I'll take the radius also, some 10 pixels radius, right? I'll take the shadow also, guys. We'll take the shadow also. Right, which shadow? There are two types, right, guys? Box shadow I'll take now. I'll take the box shadow. It's a box format, right? So box shadow. Let's take 0 pixels, again 0 pixels, again 10 pixels blur. I'll take in the block color, guys. I'll take in the which one, right? Block color. Okay. I'll see in the surrounding, right? It came, right? It came, guys. It came. Okay. Then I'll take the one more is text align, guys. Text align. Let's take the center. Let's take the center. Okay, center guys, center. That's fine. Now on this one, all of observe in this one. I'll take the bootstrap lines, guys. Right? We know the bootstrap lines. Let me copy this all the lines. Let's go there. Let's refresh here. Now all of observe, guys. All of observe. So what happened here? All coming as a single one, guys. Right? All coming as single one. Okay. All coming as a single one, right? Single one, right? Okay, fine, right? Now apply the styles for which one? For the container, guys, right? Container apply the styles. Now what do? I apply the styles on articles also, guys. An article, for every article I apply the style. For every article I'll apply the styles. Okay. Now all of you observe. Let's go to the styles. I'll take for article, guys. Okay. All of observe. Now I'm using the article, right? Article. So for article also, I take the some background color, guys. Background color. I'll take the what is the section background light blue, right? So we'll take here blue violet, guys. Okay, blue violet. I'll take here something, right? Check the spelling, guys. Blue violet. Okay, okay, that's fine. So four articles, right? Four articles. Yes, they came. Right. Next one. I'll take the color, guys. I'll take the color white. The text color I am taking the white. Yes, fine, fine. And here also, now all of you observe what I want. Now I want some space, guys, between border and the text, like this. I want some space here. Then again, what we do, guys, we apply the padding, right? I am going for, see, guys, this all styles we know already. I'm taking the padding some 10 pictures. I'll take the margin also some 10 pictures, guys. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yes, that's fine. Next one. Now these articles only, guys. These articles only. I control now width. Actually now width came right to left, right, all occupied. I take the only this much width only. I take the only width. Okay, so I'll go here. Okay, I'll take now. I'll take here width, guys. We'll take the width. Suppose let's take 200 pictures. 200 pictures, right? 200 pictures. Yes. Let me save this one. Yes. Okay. Now all of you observe. All of you observe. So what happened here? All came one by one, right? Yes, right? All came one by one. All came one by one because for every, see, articles means all articles, right? For every article, what happened here? This much width, right? Let's take as for example 300, for example. Okay. 300. Okay, that's fine. But now what I want, guys, here, what I want now, I want see now the second article I want to get here only. The second article I want to get here, right? Here, guys. The third article I want to get here. The fourth article I want to get here. I want to get here, like that, right? If you observe, guys, now what is happening here? Now every article is like a one block, all right? One block tag, guys. Now in this case, that is a one block, right? We know we have two types of block level and inline, right? Inline. Now these are the block only now, but I want like as inline now. All of, right? Now here each article is a block, right? Block level now currently. Now all of observe here each element, each article is which one is a block level, right, guys? Block level. It seems now it's also block level, right? But what I want now, these all blocks I want to get like a inline, so that that will come here. Again, the third one will come here. Again, the fourth will come here, like this, guys. Okay. So for that one, you know what we do? I'll take the display now. So already block is the right. Now I take here inline block, guys. Inline block. Now all of you observe. I am taking here inline block, right? See, inline block came. Inline block came, right? Inline block came. Uh, okay, but I want to get all in single line, right? One came the third line. Let us see, guys. Let me apply little bit more styles. Or else I go here. I'll take the 250 pixels, guys. For example, let's try to take the less number of pictures. Yes, guys. Okay. Now all of you can observe here, right? All of you can observe here. So all of you can observe here. Why that block level? See, by default, this 4 came. How, guys? One by one, right? Like first article, then second article, then third article, then fourth article. Actually, like this, they displayed when taking the width of each one, right? And taking width of each one, they came like that. But now what I want now, see here in this case, all of observe here. In this case, this is the browser, for example, right? Browser. Now in this case, now each one is a one block level, right, guys? Seems each one is one block level like that, right? But now what I want here, I want to get all like this one side by side. I want to get all in the top, guys, like this. This is the first one here only. The second one I want to get here. Third one I want to get here, and the fourth one I want to get here like that. All of right. So like this, right? The second one going there, third one going there, and the fourth one going here, like this. So for that one, what I used, guys, in the display, what value I used here for display? For display, what value I used, guys, here? What I used here? Inline block, right? Inline block, guys. Inline block. Now for these all articles, for these all articles, guys, for these all articles, what do? I'll add a little bit some shadow all, guys. I'll take the some margin. Let me take the some margin 10 pixels, for example. Let's go there. Okay, already margin is right. Margin is there between each one. Already margin is there. Think margin is not required. No. So Allah, I'll take the border radius, guys. Okay, for everyone, I'll take the border radius. Let's take suppose 20 pixels border radius. Okay, I'll take 20 pixels border radius, guys. See, the radius means this corners, right? Okay, corners came in the curve shape, guys. Corners came in the curve shape. That is fine, right? Now I'll take the shadow also, guys. I'll take the box shadow also. Box shadow also. Let's take 0 pixels, 10 pixels blur. Then I want the black color blur only. Black color, guys, right? Let's go there. Let me refresh here. Yes, guys. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Now I'll do one thing, guys. They seem very big one, right? Very big one. I'll do one thing, guys. What do I do? Uh, see, I'll remove some content. Okay, this is all dummy text, right? Up to here, I remove the data, guys, from desktop onwards. Okay, like this. It seems very lengthy, right? Lengthy. That article. Uh, right. Let's go there. Okay, it's fine, right? Fine now. I think it's better to take the more width, right, guys? Right? I think if you take more width, they're coming down, right? Let me go with 300, guys. 300 width of each article. Oh, they're going down, right? I think what is the reason for because of more size they're going down, right? Let me take the just 5 pictures, guys. Yes. Now all of you can observe, guys, right? Now all came in the single container. Sorry, single section, right? Single section, guys. That's fine. Right? Now all of you observe. All of you observe. All of you observe. Now what I'm going to do here, what I'm going to do now, on this one, I am going to apply one transform, guys. All of you observe, I am going to apply one transform, right? One transform on this 4. On this 4, I want to apply the same transform, guys. On this 4, I want to apply the same transform. See, for those 4, I have taken the same class name, right? We have taken the same class name, same class name, same class name for those 4, right? For those 4. Now I use the class name, guys. I use the class name. Now all of you observe, all of you observe. What's the class name? Dot trans, right? I think trans, trans, right? What's the class name? Trans, right? Trans 1. Yes, we use the dot trans 1. The colon, I'm taking the hour, guys. Now all of you, I hope you are aware of hour, right? All of you, what is the meaning of hour? See, when I keep the cursor, on this article, then I want to apply, some style, guys, some style. All of you observe. So on transform 1, these all are the transform ones only, guys. These 4 are the transform ones, right? Ones only. If I keep the cursor on those, right? On those, then I take the last one transform 2 now. Oh, sorry, guys. Let me take the all same transform. Yes. Now, so when I keep the cursor there, then what I want now? Take the transform, right? Transform. I'll take the translate, guys. Okay, translate. Or else let me take the translate x or y, guys. Okay, I'll take the translate y 10 pixels, guys. Right? 10 pixels. 10 pixels. And immediately I want to change the background color also. I want to change the some background color, guys. I want to change what is the current background color. Some blue is red, some blue is there. I want to get the red, guys. I want to get the red. That's all. And now I save this one. Let's go there. Let me refresh here. Now all of you observe. All of you observe, right? See, all of you can observe here, guys, right? 1 second, guys. It is a little bit slow. The browser. Allow you 1 second, guys. So when I keep the cursor, on any one article, see, right? All of you can observe here, guys, right? So it's moving down, guys. It's moving down because you are taking the some transform, right? What is this value you are taking there? Translate y, right? We are taking the y. That's why if you observe, it's moving down, guys, right? Okay. Suppose if you take the minus value, guys, I'm taking the minus 10. I am taking the minus 10, right? Minus 10. Now what's happening, guys? It's moving top, right? It's moving top, guys. How much top it's moving? 10 pictures, right? Now all of you can observe here, guys. All of you can see the difference. I taken the minus 10 pixels moving to top. If you take minus 20 pixels, they will move to top more, guys. Okay. Now all of you can you see here, guys? All of you can you see this one, right? Yes. So here, which one we used, guys? Here, which one we used? I use which one? Translate y, guys. Translate y. Some minus, okay. Some some pictures, guys. Either plus value or minus value. If you take the minus value, moving to top. If you take the plus value, moving to down, right? If I take the translate x, guys. Translate x. Let us see now, guys. Let us see now. All of you observe here, right? So they're moving to side, guys, right? Moving to left side, right? Moving left side. Why we are taking the x minus value? Take the x plus value, then moving to right, guys. Okay, they move to right. Now all of you observe, right? Moving to right, guys. Okay, moving to right, guys. Right? If I take the only translate, guys, only translate I'm taking now. No x, no y. I'm taking the directly translate only. Sorry, guys. I'm taking the just directly translate only. Then sorry guys, let me refresh this one. So by default, guys, which one, guys, here? If you don't specify the x or y, I told you in the previous class, by default, which one? X plus value, guys. By default, x plus value, right? Plus means right side moving, right? Right side moving, guys. All of you, do you remember? In the previous class, I said that if you don't specify either x or y, it takes by default x, or it takes the default plus value only, right? Plus value, guys. Moving to the outside, right side, okay, right side. Now I'll take the x and the plus value, right? Plus value. Now what is there, guys, here? Now observe. Now let's go there and refresh here. Same, right, guys? Okay. Something, guys. Here x is there. Hmm. Okay, but guys, we'll take the moving to top only. Moving to top. Why? I want to take the some minus value, right? I take the some minus value, guys. Okay, this is one transform, guy. This is one transform. What is transform name, guys? What is transform name? This transform name is a translate y. Okay, translate y, guys. Translate y. Now the translate y, I am taking here some h2 tag. All observe now some h2. Okay, h2. This is translate y, right? Translate y, guys. This is which one? Translate y. All of right. Translate y. I'm taking now. Okay, translate way, guys. Yes. Uh, right. Now I'll go with one more section, guys. All of observe now. So one section over, one section over. I'll take the one more section for another purpose, guys. All of right. All of clear. The same one, the same one, the same section. I am copying. All of observe now. The same section copying, and I'm going to paste here, guys. And what do I change now? I change the only class name only. I change the transform to, right? Next transform to, okay, transform to. That's all, guys, right? I change the only the class name only, right? Class name only. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's refresh here. Let's refresh. See here we have the which one, a transform, but here see in the down, guys, right? Transform is not the right here. Transform is not there. Why? Because on transform to class and transform to class, now the styles are not applied, right? Styles are not applied. I'll take now, guys, which one, dot transform to hover means keep the cursor on that one. Hover means if you keep the cursor there, then what you want apply, what you want apply there. Now give the again some transform, guys. I'm giving the some transform. Let's take here that one skew, right? We'll take the skew, right? I'll take the skew x, guys, of, let's take 20 degrees. Okay, 20 degrees, guys, 20 degrees. And at the same time I want to change the background color also. I want to change the background color. The previous case I taken the red. Now I'll take the, suppose, guys, yellow, for example. Let's take the yellow, guys. Okay, yellow. Here, and what I am taking now, I'm not taking the translate way, right? I am taking this one. Which one? Skew, right? X or Y, like this, refresh here. Okay, fine. Now let's go there. Let me, now all of you can observe, guys, right? Good, right? I think red only better, or else I go with green, guys. Okay, I go with green now. We'll go with right, green, guys. Okay, green. Let's go with only green, right? Now all of you observe, guys, right? So what is taken there? We are taking a skew 20 degrees, right, guys? We are taking x, right? X 20 degrees. That's why, see, it's moving to the side, left side, guys, right? Left side. Okay, left side. If you take the skew y, guys, okay, I'm taking y, guys. I'm taking the skew y, okay, y. Let's go there. Let's refresh here. Yes, guys, right? See now, moving the reverse side, guys, right? Moving the reverse side. Now, observe, right? All of you can find the difference now. QX, it's moving to which side, guys? Here, all of you observe. QX means it's going reverse, guys, right? This is the QY, right? This is the QY. This is the QY, okay? QY, guys. It's coming like this. We take the QX, sorry, guys. QX, then you can find the difference, guys, okay? See now, this is QX. X. All are clear, right? So now you have done the two transforms, right? What is first one, guys? First one, translator. Second one, skew, guys. Skew. All of you are clear, right? This one now. Okay, right. Now, what do I do now? What do I do, guys? I'll go with one more section again. I go with one more section, guys. One more section. I'm taking the multiple sections, guys. Multiple sections. In each section, we have the same number of articles. Just what do I do? I'm going to change the only the class name of each article. Three, right? I'm taking the three, guys. We are taking the three. That's all, right? Three is taken. Three is taken. Yes. Now let's go here. I'll take that trans, right? Trans three, guys. Trans three. Then so what do we do here? I'm going to trans three hour, right? Hour, guys. Hour. Then what is the transform? The transform already translate over skew over. Now I'll take the scale, guys. We'll take the scale of. I'll take the scale, okay? Scale of 2 comma 2, guys, okay? 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2, right? 2 comma 2. Now all of observe, yes. All of observe here. See the height increasing more, right? The height increasing more. I've taken 2. I'll take the small value, guys. I'll take the suppose 1.1 comma 1.1, guys. I'm taking the just 0.1 extra only. Now all of you observe, guys, here. All of you observe here. It's better to take the again some background color also, guys. Background color. Let's take the this one. Suppose, guys, deep pink is there something. Yes. So, guys, scale means what is happening? Both the x and the y directions, guys. Both x direction and y direction, the values are changed, right? I simply say that the height and width of both are changed, guys, right? The height and width of each article, the height and width of each article is changed, guys. That is which one? That is the scale, right? That is scale, guys. Okay. Now all of you observe. Now how many you have seen now? How many you have seen, guys? Right? We have seen. So translate. We have seen skew. And we have seen scale also. Now one more also is there, guys. What you call rotate is there, right? Rotate is there. For that also we can take one more, right? One more article, guys. Again, here we change the name, right? What is the name now? Scale, right, guys? Scale. Now scale over. Now we'll go for again. I paste here, guys. I paste here. I'll take the. I'm going to take now rotate. Okay, I'm going to take now rotate, guys. Rotate. I'll take the class name 4, then 4, then 4, then 4. That's all. Now I'll go to top. We'll apply, guys. Okay, I apply the styles again. Now take now transform 4 hour means we keep the cursor on that one. On that one. Yes, guys. I take the transform, and all of you here there is a function called perspective, guys. Okay, perspective is there. perspective, just observe first of all. Let's take 300 pictures of perspective. Or else, guys, first of all, let me take the whole rotator. Let me take the only rotate, guys. Okay. I'm taking the rotate x, guys. Rotate x. I'm taking the rotate x of. Let me take suppose, guys, minus 30 degrees, guys. Okay, minus 30 degrees or plus 30 degrees, anyone. And at the same time, let me take the some background color. I'll take the red. Okay, red, guys. That's all. Now let's go there. Let me refresh here. Just move down. Now all of you observe, guys. All of you observe. So what happened, guys? Here, all of you. Now what happened here? What is happening now? So we are taking the rotate, right? Rotate x, guys. Rotate x and minus 30, right? Suppose, guys, let's take 30 degrees only. All of you, the spelling correct, right? Rotate, R-O-T-A-T-A-X, correct only. Let's go there. Sorry, that's okay. Make it control save. See, on this one, guys, we apply the which one perspective, guys. What is perspective means? Observe, guys, right? We'll take the perspective of I'll take suppose 300 pictures, guys. Now all of you observe. I'm taking the perspective on top of the rotate, on top of the rotate, guys. Now all of you observe here. All of you observe one more transform, guys. Right? One more transform like this. I taken the I think more, guys. Let me take the 200, 200, guys. 200. Let me refresh this one. Yes, guys. Okay. It's better to decrease the rotate value. I'll take the suppose 10 only, guys. 10 degrees rotate x value. Now all of you observe here, guys. Now, so generally with rotate, we should use this type of perspective function, guys. Perspective, so that see displaying right like this, displays like this, guys. If we use the perspective like this, okay. If I use minus 10 degrees, if I use the minus 10 degrees, minus 10 degrees, let us see, guys. Now coming the top, right, guys? Coming in the top, that comes in the top, guys. Okay. At the same time, now it's rotating. The same time, the perspective 200 pictures, guys. Let's see now. Now all just let me take 100 pictures. When take the 100, it is coming at more, guys. Okay, coming the more size. If you take the suppose, let me different ways, guys. See happening. If you take the more size, if you take the more size, think screen got stuck, guys. 1 second, all of you. Take, hearing me, right? All of you hearing me now? Yes, okay. Now, so all of you observe. So what happened now? I'm taking the perspective bigger value, guys, right? If you take the bigger value, then we're getting the less rotated, guys, right? Less change we're getting, right? Less change we are getting. But when you take the more less perspective value, like 100 pixels, like that, then you can see, guys, right? You see, guys, right? How much difference is there, and take the smaller value. That's why. So what we do now? We'll take the bigger value like that, guys. 300 or 400 like this. 300 to 400. Now you can see, guys, right? A small change, guys, right? Like this. If you want more change, right? If you want more rotation like this, then we change increase the we change the values there, guys. We change the values there. Now all of you clear, right? So what is happening here? Here we applied the first one now. What's first one? Translate, right? The second one is Q. Then third one is scale. Scale means increase the height and the width, right? Okay. Then the next one is which one, guys? Here rotate, right? Rotate with the perspective, guys, right? Rotate with the perspective. Okay, perspective like this. Now, so all of you are clear about these things, right? Fine.